Hello, my dudes. So, your push button doesn't really work in your MK6 Jetta. Your freaking key battery is fine. You've already tried that. So the next step is realistically to replace the push button because it is a common issue in these MK7 Jettas. I'm going to show you how to fix it. I'm gonna take a little cloth like so. I'm gonna pry a little butter knife in here like so, you know, don't want to damage nothing. A little dull object like this be fine. Alright, and just pry up. Come on, get in there. Get in there, boy. Get in there, boy. Okay, I think we did it. Yep, there you go. Just pried right out, just like so. So we're just gonna take this out. See a little relay, alright? So I'm just gonna take this whole assembly off here and replace it with our nice, shiny new OEM boy right here. How we gonna do that? Guess what? We're gonna push this little tab in right here, push that in, and it pops right out. Wow. I'm so sorry if you don't subscribe to my channel because I'm just like this. I have no explanation. So then all you're gonna do is push the new one right back on, clickety click, wow, and push it back in. Just so freaking easy. And now we're just gonna push this on. And it works just fine. Cranking up that dirty diesel. Okay, that is all you need, my guys. Very simple. All you need is a butter knife and perhaps a cloth if you care about your interior bits. Don't know why I just became Russian all of a sudden. Anyways, okay, thanks. Love you, bye.